Hey guys, Atomic Dragon here, and welcome to another episode of Hill Climb Racing! It's amazing. This game is so fun, addicting, and everyone loves it. Don't. I am still on my quest to upgrade my Motocross bike. Yesterday was Motocross Wednesday. I'm going to start assigning vehicles today. He also threw a rock at it. Shows how weak the window is, or it shows how strong the rubber is. Why are you doing Minecraft? Don't you know that? I actually heard that phones, like electronics, are just as addicting as heroin. Yeah, you can understand that, right? That they're addicting. They actually have the same, and I also heard that they have the same effects that drugs do. So I'm like, internet, you sure about that? Because that's a pretty high accusation you just made. Ah, little bro. It's the nuclear baby head. It's the mini nuke. Don't do that. Okay, make up your mind, backwards or forwards. Yes, ready for any problem. And I got it. Did I blow up the wheel? That's your lawnmower?
Got a new tractor.
Got a new tractor?
I chased you.
You chased me in it?
And say why?
Did you know that I am not allowed to play Minecraft because my tablet's too old?
That's not good.
Like, I can't post videos of it.
Mid-air control. Mid-air control is good and all, but I need to upgrade some of my suspension and my engine.
Hey, Alex, you want to look through my Minecraft house?
No, I do not. So don't. That's always nice.
I know. Yeah, there you go, fat lamb. I saved you.
Oh, and that hurt. Okay, so we're gonna have motocross. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna go check something out real quick.
I'm getting away from my
Okay, so on Mondays we're gonna play with the Okay, so on Mondays we're gonna upgrade the tractor. On Tuesdays it's gonna be the hippie van. On Wednesdays It will be the monster. One second. It will be the police car. On Thursdays, it will be motocross. And on Fridays, which is tomorrow, on Fridays it will be
tractor. The tractor.
And on Fridays, we'll save up for the electric car. We're going to save up for the electric car actually right now. So we can buy it because tomorrow we're going to be playing with the electric car. So I'm going to go real quick on what... That's not...
My tablet.
1 second.
Emma, get back here. No.
I'm the wasp executor.
Oh, that scared me. I'm like feeling a tickle on my arm. I'm like, huh?
And it's not dead. Dang, wasps are strong. That's a strong thing.
I think it almost stung me too. I'm like,
Why won't you die?
I think it stung me, but no. I don't see anything.
I need this.
Clear
path.
Wait a minute, I'm checking if I got stung.
1 second, guys. I'm going to have to check this real quick. That's it. It doesn't everyone. I mean, some people don't. Some people like wasps.
Well, I said I hated it.
Okay, well, my sister hates wasps. That's good to know. Well, I'm going to get this motocross bike out and raise some money for the electric car. Yes, I killed it. I stomped it. Could you move, please?
Can I please have a spot? Because my tablet's tracking.
Oh, freaking Christ. Oh, my gosh. Sun right here, though.
I have a huge house, but I don't.
Okay, that took a chunk out of the video.
Good thing you're still going to post it, right?
Yeah. Why wouldn't I? I mean, I've had to make redos before.
Yep, I got stung.
Did it hurt?
I could barely feel it, but it's stinging right now. I feel like Kim will check out with his glasses.
My audio's not that good, I don't think. I mean, I don't really think.
That was freaking. Now it's a stink bug.
So what? Stink bugs are like the freaking bug tanks of the world.
I know, and they're ugly and gross.
What did they think? You're ugly and gross, huh? How would you feel?
Fine with it.
How would you feel? They called you ugly and gross.
Like all the people in school.
No one calls you ugly and gross.
People call me gross for some reason.
You're not gross.
Are you sure?
Do you like turtles?
Yeah.
You're not gross.
People hate turtles in school.
They're gross.
Okay.
I mean, that's not all the deciding factors. Put down in the comments below if you say turtle, if you like turtles.
Because turtles are awesome.
Turtles are like the best reptiles you could ever find, besides alligators. Alligators are cool.
Yeah, I killed a cow.
What?
I needed
Poor.
to survive.
Dairy, beefier.
Ow, get off of me, Emmett. Ow, 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 ow. Ow! Is this how you feel?
Yes.
Allison, come back!
Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm going to have to put this video to an end. It's just not really working out right now. So,
Get off of me!
I'll probably make another video another time today. But for now, Atomic Dragon out.